Welcome to Standard 7th. We are seeing Chapter 2 Multiplication and Division of Integers, and we are seeing Practice Set 9. I welcome all of you in our YouTube channel eSchool. In this, we are seeing rules of division integers. What are these rules? We have to see that we cannot divide any number by 0. That is the first rule. That is, we cannot divide any number by 0. The quotient of two positive integer is positive number. Okay. Then third rule is what? The quotient of two negative integer is positive number. Then last rule is what? The quotient of one positive integer and one negative integer is always a negative integer. On this rule, all this practice set 9 is depends on. So we are seeing different examples in practice set 9, and the first example is minus 96 divided by 16. So here I am writing, first of all, this is minus 96 divided by 16 is equal to, I am writing this as minus 1 divided by 1. Then we can simplify this 96 as 16 6 and divided by 16. Okay, so what is the simplification answer? Here we have 16 common, that's why I am cancelling this. And you know that what is our rule? When we are dividing one negative integer by one positive integer, result is always negative. So that's why 6 multiplied by 1 is minus 6. Okay, so that is the answer of the first. Then second example is there, that is, this is the positive integer and we are dividing it by minus 28. Again I can write down this as, okay, so 98 divided by minus 28. So uh, I am writing this 98 as, how we are simplifying it? This is positive 1 divided by negative 1, then multiply. Then how I can simplify this 98? That is 14 sevens are, and here 28 can be divided into 14 twos are. Okay, so when you see that this is the 14 common, I am cancelling this. What is the answer of this? When we are dividing this positive integer, that is 7, and this is the negative integer, result is always negative. 7 ones are 7 and 2 ones are 2, that is the minus 7 by 2 is the answer. Then next example is minus 51 divided by positive 68. How I can bifurcate is, this is suppose minus 1 divided by, this is plus 1 multiplied by, I can simplify this as 3 multiplied by 17, and here I can write 4 multiplied by 17. 17 3s are 51, 17 4s are 68. So again here we have 17 common. This is minus 1, this is plus 1. So when we are dividing one negative integer by one positive integer, result is always negative. 3 ones are 3 and 4 ones are 4. That's why the answer is minus 3 by 4. Then fourth example, as we are saying, this is a positive 38. We are dividing it by minus 57. I am writing it as positive 1 divided by negative 1 multiplied by, we can just simplify this as 19 twos are 38, and I can simplify this as 19 threes are. Okay, so 19 are common. I am cancelling this. Again, we are dividing positive by negative. When we are dividing one positive integer by one negative integer, result is always negative 1. 2 ones are 2 and 3 ones are 3. So answer is minus 2 by 3. Next example is minus 85 divided by plus 20 is equal to, I can write it as minus 1 divided by plus 1 multiplied by, okay, I can just simplify this 85 as, how I can simplify this 85 as, I can just divide it by simplified 17 5s are, and I can divide 20 as 5 4s are. Okay, so again here result is what, one negative integer is divided by one positive integer, result is negative 1. Here 5 is common one, 17 ones are 17 and 4 ones are 4. The answer is minus 17 by 4. Then this example, that is minus 150 divided by minus 25. Here I am writing this as, again I am writing, suppose here minus 1 divided by minus 1. Here I can multiply it by, how I can simplify this, I can write this 150 as 25 6, and here I can write it as 25. Okay, so again result is what, when we are dividing a negative integer by a negative integer, always result is positive. Okay, so this is the common, I am cancelling. 6 ones are 6, the result is 6. So whatever the result is plus 6. Next is 100 divided by 60. Next is what, 100 divided by 60. No doubt here both numbers are positive numbers, so always result will be positive 1. So I can simplify this as 20 5s are, and here I can write 20 3s are. Okay, so 20 20 common, result is what, 5 divided by 3. Okay, then next is what, that we have to see that this is the 8th example, and here we are dividing 9 as a positive integer divided by minus 54. I can write it as plus 1 divided by minus 1 multiplied by 9 ones are, and here I can simplify it at 9 6 are. When we are dividing this positive number by negative number, result is always, division is always negative number. So this is the common, I am cancelling that. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and 6 ones are is 6. So result is minus 1 by 6. Then 78 divided by 65. So I can just, these are the both positive numbers. If I have to simplify it, I can simplify it that 13 6 and 13 5. So these are the 13 common, result is 6 divided by 5. Last example, minus 5 divided by minus 315. Okay, minus 5 divided by 315. I can just here minus 1 I can take, and here minus 1 I can multiply it by 5, and I can just multiply it 5 by 63. 63 5s are 315. So when we are dividing minus one number is one integer is negative, we are dividing the another negative number, result is always positive. Here 5 is common, that's why I am cancelling it. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and 63 multiplied by 1 is 63. So 1 by 63 is the answer. So these are the different examples that we have seen on the rules of the division, that are based on the rules of the divisions. If you like our video, then don't forget to like it, subscribe it, our eSchool channel. Thank you.